Hello everyone, in front of you right now Epson L5190, and the issue with this printer is that it's showing E11 message, the ink pad needs service, contact Epson. And if you will see on the screen, it's showing this message: a printer's ink pad is at the end of its service life, please contact Epson support. So we need adjustment program to reset the ink pad. Okay, this is I have adjustment program. I will attach the download link in the description. You can download it. Okay, this file is password protected, so you have to extract it with the password. But listen carefully, before you want going to extract, you have to disable your antivirus, because the exe file uh, gonna kill by antivirus. Okay, so I will disable my antivirus over here. I have McAfee. If you have Windows Defender or McAfee or any other antivirus, you have just to stop for 5 minutes. I will click on real-time scanning in my McAfee, then we'll disable it for turn off for 15 minutes. Fine. Okay, now if I will not disable antivirus, then the exe file will not work. So now I will right click on the file, will go for extract, and then type the password over here. Invalid password, we have to write correct password. Just let me copy the password from the description. Okay, here we go. I will add the password in the description. You can find the password over here. Okay, double click on the folder again, then again. This is L5190 PC. Click on it and then click adjustment program. When I double click on the adjustment program, it's asking that sorry, the software cannot be run without a license key. So we have to activate license, and this is our hardware key, so you have to keep it aside. We will not close this. I will go back, because in our installation folder there is one another specific generators. So we have to add the license. Click on exe folder and then press on this license WL gen Epson L5190. Double click on it and go to license manager. So you have to do add license. Okay, add license, and then here write your name, any name. Here you have to enter the hardware key, the key that my computer is showing over here. So you have to type this key over here, complete the key type over here. Fine. When you complete the key, this hardware key, type in the hardware ID and then date expiration. You have to select here any further 1 month or 2 months, 23, 24, any date. Okay, then press save. When you will press save, it will show license over here. That's what I just created now ago. Okay, then you have to click on this license, new one, and then create license key. When you will press create license key, you will find a folder in this, in your exe folder you will find another license. So just copy all the files and take it to this folder, the adjustment program folder. Okay, and then just right click and paste, and you will paste here, and this license registry key, double click on it, press yes and press OK. Now I will close these options. Will run again this adjustment program, and you can see it's working now. I will select, printer is already selected, I think. No need to do anything, just press OK, and then particular adjustment mode, and then wasting pad counter, press OK. Then we will check first what is the status of our counter, 130%, 80%. So we will reset both. We'll click on initialize and press OK. It started initializing. It will take a bit. Just gave an error. I will go one by one, we'll check again. Okay, this has been resetted already, 0 main pad counter. So our issue was main pad counter. We'll press finish, press previous and press quit. Now I will turn off the printer and turn on again to make sure that the ink pad is resetted or not. Okay, you can see now there is no more error. Printer is in ready state now. So you have to be use the adjustment program, and we will see our printer status. What it will show, we will see over here. This is our license manager. So I will repeat again, you have to disable your antivirus. Be careful, don't run the file unless your antivirus disabled. Now we will turn our antivirus on. I clicked on search monitor to check the status. It's searching now, but it will take time. But our inkpad has been resetted successfully. Okay, you can see cleaning the print head and charging ink. Okay, leave it as it is. The finally printer is in working state now. If you have any question regarding this printer L5190, you can ask me in the comment. I will reply your question.